Beautiful, get you love me like my people there, like my people here. Between English. Whoa, 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 whoa.
So I guess this is the start of a maybe uploaded vlog, maybe not. If you guys are seeing it, it might be uploaded. If it isn't, then you're obviously never gonna see it. So we're in Burger King and we gotta, you know, make the road hookah. So this guy is a fat ass.
How am I fat ass?
And I haven't ate anything all day. This guy already ate twice, but I didn't need my hookah. Found the outlet in the gas station. Turning on the charcoals. The hookah is ready inside the car. Then we should be back on the road. Only 3 hours left. Hookah bussin'. Yo, that's illegal. That's illegal. 2 hours and 15 minutes left.
Am I getting pulled over? Oh, I was about to see.
Oh, something with that car. Damn, I thought it was something hype.
I'm like, am I getting pulled over? You know what? You look like a rookie. Like he just turned 19.
Oh, okay, so go to pull over on that side. Nigga's like, yo, I can't.
That nigga look like
He's like, I can't pull you over here, bro. I can barely open the door. All right, so Gabe and me finally made it to our destination after 8 hours of driving. I was a beautiful passenger princess.
Yeah, sleeping.
Took my beautiful nap, got my Ruffles and my hot Cheetos. And we're here, actually, to finish Fanum's car. Gonna get the rear fitment dialed in, make sure we can at least fend it to lip all four corners, because it's an Accord. We live and breathe Accords. We love Accords. So we cannot have an Accord looking whack. I don't know if Georgia is more humid than Florida, but we're in the shade and I'm fucking dripping sweat, bro. So Gabe is finishing up the front, then we're gonna put the car inside so we can finish up the rear. It's a little bit cooler in there and it's starting to get dark, obviously. Gotta get that fitment perfect. The fitment is finally dialed in. So you can see now we're tucking all four way better. Obviously the main issue was the rear fitment was really off. So we swapped the bags to FLYYAIR for the double bellows and we addressed the quarters and fenders, shaved some, did what we had to do to get the fitment matching front to back, and now no more weird fitment. That should look good. So the car is fully aired out right now. You can see we're tucking the rear, we're tucking the front, everything is good, everything clears. And now we're gonna take the MDX back to Florida. We got about an 8-hour drive, should be good. You know, we're gonna stop to eat here. And then we're gonna obviously make a hookah for the road and be back home. Really glad we got the fitment dialed in on the Accord because you can't have a bagged car and have janky fitment. So now it has the touch and it's good to go. We've been driving for like an hour, got 6 hours left. Hookah been busting, almost dying, but we turned it on literally right as we left. So we should be back home soon. So of course I'm like, you know, let me be a W man. Let me drive the rest of the 4 hours that, you know, he could chill out, right? Bro, it's been 5 minutes. I'm not exaggerating, 5 minutes. And I get pulled over. I'm going 79 in the 70, obviously. He didn't pull me over for speeding, he said. But he said window tints. This nigga drove the whole way here and 4 hours back. We passed probably literally like 30 cops. Get pulled over. Of course, the blacker guy sits in the seat. I get pulled over.
Alright, man. Alright. This here, if you come to court on it, it's going to be your dress code policy, okay? If you want to come to court.
Okay.
That's yours. It's under the same violation as window tint, but I just put that the front windshield was completely tinted, okay, with dark film.
Okay.
That's the reason for the stop. So all your information off your license in the vehicle, other than what year model is your car?
This 25.
25?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. This section here roughly shows weather, road traffic, lighting condition, where I was sitting, my name, badge number, and division, okay? Your court date will be August the 20th, 4 o'clock p.m. at this address if you want to come to court. Choose not to come to court, you can take care of it by going to this website here or just by paying it by the phone.
Okay.
That's yours?
Thank you. I think, thank you.
Yeah, signature there. Well, I could have checked all these and wrote it for them too, but I didn't.
Thank you.
And there's both of y'all's license. Y'all have a safe trip, man.
Thank
Just
you, brother.
Be careful with that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I've always wanted a photo op there and I never stopped or anything.